Our collaboration with Andy Cartwright, who's one of South Africa's leading designers, continues to produce a range of unique and sophisticated products that are rooted deep in our African culture. Across 3 ranges, the Geo, Afrique, and I Am South African, Andy brings the continent to life. So my favorite product is this wine presentation kit. Beautifully put together box. Just look at the detail from a design perspective. Inside you'll receive 3 elements. You'll receive a sleeve for your wine bottle, a tag which can be laser engraved to place on your wine, just like this. Put it back in the box for presentation. It's probably the coolest part of this whole set, and that is the Afrique wine stand. Your friends will be talking about this for weeks after they visited your house. And to top it off are these 2 stunning USBs, Africa style. The gold and the wood, which can be used as a key ring as well. There could be no better gift to give to connect your consumer to Africa, or as a memorable gift for those visiting the continent.